In this video, I will show you how to transfer from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. And we're starting off from our Phantom Wallet app, and in here we're going to click on Receive. And right now you're going to select the crypto or currency that you want to receive in, and I want to receive in Solana, so I'm going to click on Solana. And in here we can get a QR code and a wallet address, and in advance I'm already going to copy my wallet address to my clipboard. And right now I'm going over to my Coinbase app to paste this wallet address in. From our Coinbase app, we're going to click on Transfer at the bottom right. And here we're going to click on Send Crypto. In here you're going to paste the wallet address from Phantom Wallet in. And after you've done that, you can basically click on this address. And then you need to select the asset, and it's already recognized in Solana, so we click on Solana. And in here we can enter the amount that we want to send, and I'm going with €1. And when you are finished, you need to click on Preview, and then you will be redirected to another screen where you need to confirm your transfer. And that is how you transfer from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.